Rich people acquire assets, not liabilities they think are assets. One of the major misconceptions so many have about rich people is that they all inherited their money. But that belief set is completely wrong. Look at anyone who is a self made millionaire. There is an outstanding chance he spent most of his life acquiring assets that generate income. This is the exact opposite of the consumer mindset. He instead invests his money in personal possessions they believe to be assets, but they are not.